Hello, women and men. My name is Alien. Well, this is my first introduction video, or first video, I guess. Ah,
Okay, so, eres a list of fandoms I mean, well, a lot. Sometimes I forget what I mean, so, yeah.
So, my little brother wanted to be in the video, so he drew his socket and made things he webs a famous artist. Gun joke in my said this is a fake-o. Ken said it's not good, but this one looks I this is Sogo, at the little brother you should be an artist, my brother.
so I guess that's all. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you a few stuff about me. I'm 14, born on June 22nd, 2012. I love drawing, animating, traveling, watching videos, and playing games and music. That's all, bye. I really like this voice, TBH.